guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my yearly favorites. It's just a favorites video but for the year. I have 10 products to mention here. Some of them are hair care products. I have a few skincare products as well. So if you're interested in knowing what were my favorite products that I used over the year of 2019, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I have to mention here is the As I Am Smoothing Gel. This replaced the Eco Styler that I used to use. Like, this was early on. I think this wasn't even halfway through the year before I canceled Eco Styler because of the flakage. Like, I didn't even use a lot of Eco Styler. I wasn't one of those girls who used it as a styler. I just used it to like lay down my edges, and by the end of the night, maybe even before then, like it would start to flake up, and it's kind of embarrassing because like I know a few times like my fiance even said like, you got some white stuff. So it was like forming, I mean, just little pieces. Like, I literally don't do a lot with my edges. It's just my hair is super curly and they will rise, they will start to curl. So I just try to lay them down, keep them at bay, and I would use that product and it would flake. So this smoothing gel, it provides moisturizing hold and shine, and you can put this on your edges. I even use it when I have it on my hair right now, like when I lay down a ponytail. It's just the best. I don't know how I didn't know anything about it beforehand. And this product is $9.99, so I don't use Eco Styler. I don't use any other kind of edge control. This is the only thing I use, and it provides a firm hold. Like, it will keep your ponytail in place the entire day. So yeah. The next thing I have to mention is the Miss Jessie's Curl So Fresh. It comes in a spray bottle. This is a curl refresher. Like, I have love-hate relationship with curl refreshers because I don't think they do anything, but I absolutely love this product. I don't remember the price, but as always, any products I mention in my videos, I make sure that down in the description box that I list the product, where I got it from, and how much it costs. So if you're interested in the prices or where you can find any of these products, check the description box down below. I'll have everything described in there. So yeah, it's the best darn curl refresher, period. And I completely agree. I love the smell of this, and I just pretty much when I have my hair up in a pineapple, I just like spray it before bed, before I put my scarf on, or even sometimes once it's fully out and I feel like it could use a little pick-me-up, I'll just spray this. But Miss Jessie products are most of the time pretty expensive, but I don't think this was that expensive. I'm thinking, like I said, it's gonna be in the description box, but I'm thinking like $14.99. And this, you don't, like with curl refreshers, like, you don't use them every single day. Like, you don't spray a whole bunch. It's in a mist bottle, so it's lasted me pretty long. I did have trouble finding this in the store though. That's one thing I will say. I do remember ordering this off Amazon. So I know that she has it on her website, but every time I try to order it, it was sold out. So yeah. The next thing I have to mention here is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Shampoo, which if you've been watching any videos since this product line launched, then you know that I love the shampoo. I have a video where I show you how I shampoo my hair, and then I have a video where I do a review. The entire line was bomb because it did exactly what it said. It made sure that your wash and go lasts, but the shampoo just stood out from the rest of the products. I mean, it is not like your normal shampoo. Like, you can just see from the well, maybe if I actually show you, you can just see from the consistency that it's almost like a conditioner. Like, I just couldn't believe it. This is my go-to shampoo. If I'm not trying like a different line and I'm not trying to, show you like, oh, this new shampoo came out, let me show you how it works, this is my go-to. Like, when I shampoo my hair, this is what I use all the time. Granted, I don't like venture out that much with shampoo. I really only have like 3 in rotation, but lately this is the only shampoo I've been using, so definitely a favorite. I'm trying to mention all of the hair care products, and then I'll move into like the skincare that I have. So I only have 2 more hair care products to mention. this year, well, not this year, because this is 2020. Last year, I discovered Aunt Jackie's, and it was like the best thing ever. I don't know how I didn't know anything about it. The products are affordable and they're bomb. Like, so I have 2 of her products to mention because these are, out of all of the Aunt Jackie products, my favorite. I have the Coconut Cream Recipes Coco Repair. This is a deep conditioner. This is very defining, it's moisturizing, it's just like the best ever, and the packaging is just bomb. Like, you do not have to use a lot and it like lasts forever. Like, if everyone had deep conditioners that was this wide around and had this much in it, like, you wouldn't have to buy deep conditioners like every time you do your hair. Because I know for me, deep conditioning is like the most important step in my hair care routine. So I go in when I deep condition, and that means that basically I can only use one product for like 2 weeks, and then I'm already like trying to purchase a new deep conditioner. And as we all know, they run pretty steep. I mean, most of them start at like $12.99, $14.99. This I bought at the beauty supply store. Most of the time it has the price on it. It doesn't in this case, but I know it's like $8.99. Like, it's not that expensive. So if you are looking for like a deep conditioner that is just really moisturizing and really helps to snap your hair back, bring your curls back to life, and is super defining, then you have to try the Coco Repair Deep Conditioner by Aunt Jackie. It's like one of my favorites. And then I have the In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. It's anti-poof, so it's supposed to help with frizz. It's moisturizing. Like, this is what I use for a conditioner. I thought this product was bomb mainly because of the packaging. Like, when you think about a conditioner, they're always like in either a pump or like a squeeze tube. This comes out in a jar, so you can really just get as heavy-handed as you need to. It's like a deep conditioner, but it's not. It's almost gone. It's blue. Like, that was interesting too. I don't know. I don't know why. What ingredient in here causes this to be a blue product? I don't know. But this is one of my favorite conditioners. So like I mentioned, both of these products from Aunt Jackie are like A1. If you haven't tried, if you're in the market for a deep conditioner or a conditioner, you need to try Aunt Jackie's. And then there's just like a million other products. I mean, we would be here all day if I just went through everything that I've discovered this year from her line and everything that's really worked for my hair. Like, it just would be too long. If you're really interested in looking for some really good, you know, products and they're in budget, you have to try Aunt Jackie's. Like, and it's not hard to find. Most of the time I go to the beauty supply store, but they're at Walmart, it's at Target, and the price point is the same. Like, oh, I didn't mention the In Control. Like, you know, when you buy from the beauty supply store, they have those little tickets on there. So it's literally tells you it's $8.49. So all the products are affordable. So that's all I have to mention for hair care. And then the next 5 products are, you know, skincare and everything like that. Because I'm really trying to, you know, I'm trying to be better about taking care of my skin and things like that. So I was trying products and things last year, and this is the products that like made it through. So this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Skin Therapy Oil for your face. So this little guy here is awesome. This, I don't use this all the time because it's an oil and it's new to me. Like, my face is, that concept to me is still like, you know, I don't know, I'm just still unsure about it because it's like I'm putting oil on my face, my skin's already oily, how's this supposed to help? I don't know. But Palmer's, we all know Palmer's for like their stretch cream and like all that stuff that's supposed to help repair. So anything like dark marks and all that stuff, so anything from Palmer's, I'm automatically like, okay, this should work, because any type of product that can help visibly like reduce the stretch marks and the appearance of stretch marks and stuff like that is A1 in my book. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, this is for your face. So it's supposed to help with like your dark marks and everything. And you know, I've mentioned that several times over the course of like all these videos that I have problems with dark marks because I get pimples, and then, well, I don't like the word pimples, is a disgusting word. I get bumps and then they leave scars. I don't know why, but that's just my life. So this has really helped with, you know, when I deal with the bumps or whatever, and I go in and put this on. I actually use this after I take off my makeup. Like I take off my makeup, I do my cleanser, and then this is what I use, like basically like as a catch-all, like a toner as well as the moisturizer, because most of the time if I'm taking makeup off, it's at night, and I'm okay with using something like this and then going to sleep versus using it in the morning when everything should be lighter. But yeah, this has really helped reducing like the dark marks and the scars and everything like that. It's lasts all year, this little bitty thing, and it's not even halfway gone. So I can't remember the price, but I'll definitely link it down below. But this, I loved using this. So since we're already on the topic of like makeup and all of that, we'll just move right into the Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel by Neutrogena. This is what I use to remove my makeup. So I used to be a fan like of all the Neutrogena cleansing wipes that you remove the makeup with, but I felt like I would do that as a step one, and then I would go in to like do my cleansing routine and stuff, and even after that I'm like, dang, like what did the wipes do? Like I still feel like I'm removing makeup as I'm trying to wash my face. So I was like, there got to be something else. And then I ran through those things so quickly, and it had so much perfume, like it just wasn't it. So I was like, I'm gonna try something different. But this gel, it just melts away the makeup. Like I put this like a little bit, I just put it directly, like I pump it in my hand and I just put it directly on my face, like put it on, and you just see the makeup like sliding off like it's bomb. Like I need to, you know, I always show y'all when I'm putting my makeup on, I need to show like how I remove all my makeup and everything, especially since now I'm doing something different than the wipes. But I absolutely love this product. I mean, it lasts a long time. Like it's about halfway gone. I don't remember the price, but I'll link it down below. But I'm super excited that I discovered this because it lasts longer than them wipes. Like I felt like I was always buying the wipes and they just didn't remove the makeup effectively. It was just like there has to be something better. So if you are over the wipes and just need something else, and then they were just kind of harsh. Like I felt like after I used the wipes, like I was ready to go in with my cleanser and my moisturizer and everything, as you should, but it felt like I really needed it because my face would be dried out. Like my face would dry out from those makeup wipes, whereas this, Jesus, would be dried out from those wipes. But this is hydrating, so after I use this, I don't feel like my face is just completely dried out and scabby. And then that's when I go in with the oil. So these two I pair together. And then the next thing I have to mention is the Milani Make It Last. This is completely gone. I have to get some more. It's the setting spray. This is what I use after, you know, I put on my makeup. This is 16-hour wear. I mean, I wouldn't know anything about that because I don't leave my makeup on for 16 hours. Like I'm just not into makeup that much. I put it on for occasions when I'm filming and stuff like that, and it comes right off. But I know for when I have it on, you know, my makeup stays in place. I don't get as oily. I love this product, and it smells amazing. Like I mentioned it before, like in a video, that they should make this in a perfume. Like if you get this and you spray it on your face, you're gonna know what I'm talking about because it smells amazing. But if you know, I don't know, I don't even know. Jesus, stuff is just flying everywhere. I just am excited. I need to calm down. I don't even know what setting spray I used to use before this. I think it might have been the NYX or something like that. But this, I haven't used any other setting spray since I discovered this. As you can tell, it is at the bottom and I have to get a new one. But if you are looking for a new setting spray, try the Milani Make It Last. You won't regret it because it's really bomb. Like I haven't felt a need to venture out or find any other types of setting sprays because I think I found my match. So I know I said I was finished with hair care, but I forgot I had this oil. So it's the Melanin Her Pure Blend oil. This oil I feel like has just, it's an oil that you never knew you needed pretty much. Like I always use my grapeseed oil, my olive oil, but this is just in the rotation now too. Like it just goes on my scalp, it goes on my ends. Like I just love it. It's lightweight and I mean, how could you not love any products from her? Like, if you have not watched any of her videos or seen her hair, then you're completely missing out. You need to check her out. Natural85 on YouTube, Instagram. I don't know about anything else because I only follow her on those two. But yeah, you definitely have to try her products if you haven't. Like, I can't remember exactly when her line came out. Like, it wasn't even beginning of the year. It was like halfway through the year when this came out. I want to say like September type thing, and it already made it as a favorite because I love this oil. I mean, I use it sparingly because it is like $19.99. It's something like that, so it's not an oil that I run through, especially since the oils that I normally use, olive oil, grapeseed oil, they're like $2. So it's expensive, but it's worth it. So if you have not tried any of the products, you need to. But definitely, like, if you're not really into, you know, the twisting, because the other one's like a twisting cream, and she just came out with a leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna get. Like, what? Now and it's like multi-use. I mean, this is not a promo for that product, but I'm just saying I'm getting that because it's like multi-use. It's supposed to be like a leave-in conditioner / deep conditioner, like all this different stuff. So I'm excited to use that, you know, pair it with this as well as the twisting cream. But that's another video. Stay tuned. The last thing I have to mention here today is Calvin Klein Obsession. This is my favorite perfume. Like, I never mentioned perfumes or anything like that on my channel, but you can ask my fiance. He has bought this for anniversaries, birthdays, like just because I love it and I run through it like crazy. Or I would use this year round, and I don't care who has anything to say about it because this is bomb. Like, I know it pairs well. It's a winter fragrance. Like, if I had to classify it, it would be a winter fragrance, but I use it year round. But if you haven't, then you have to try it. This is gone, so I have to like repurchase. There's nothing in here. This is an empty perfume bottle, but even the packaging is just bomb. But yeah, this is my favorite perfume. It's a yearly favorite because I've been using it for like the last 3 years. I don't know why I've never mentioned it, but if you're like, I know me, I struggle with all that stuff because I'm so used to just using Bath and Body Works, their little fragrance mist. I never really do actual perfume. Like, I'm trying to work on that. Like, but this is favorite. I've been using this for 3 years and it's amazing. So if you are trying to, you know, tap into that and like figure out what type of perfumes you like or what you want to experiment with, then try the Calvin Klein Obsession. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video or want to see more videos like this where I talk about favorites that aren't just hair care products, make sure to like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!